Happy birthday, sweetie. Make a wish.
Yay! Right?
Time to blow them out.
Hey! Why did you push me? That hurt.
Arav, tell me what happened.
I promised he would come early, but he is not here. And Arjun pushed me. A bicycle! This is what I wished for. Today is my birthday. I am 6 years old now. I feel so happy.
Happy birthday, my sweet boy. Come here, give me a hug.
Thank you, Mama. Is that cake for me?
Of course, my love. It's all for you.
Yay! It looks yummy!
But first, come to the kitchen. We have a surprise waiting. You are going to love it.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. You are 6 years old now. You are growing up so fast. I am very happy today. I am not old at all. I am still young and strong. I am just 6 years old. I can run faster than before. This gift is for you. I made it with love. Wow, this is beautiful. You drew both of us together. We are playing and smiling. Thank you, Mira. I love it.
That is a lovely gift, Mira. Handmade gifts are very special. They show love and care. Keep it safe, Arav.
I will, Mom.
Close your eyes now. Think about something you wish for. Make a happy wish in your heart. Then blow out the candles. What did you wish for, dear? Was it something exciting? Can you share it with us? We are curious.
I cannot tell you, Mama. If I tell you the wish, it will not come true. It is my birthday secret. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, time for cake.
Yay! Yummy! Mama, can I take candies to school? I want to share them with my friends. It is my birthday today.
Of course, Arav. That's very sweet. I have packed some chocolates in your bag. You can give them to your friends. Sharing makes birthdays more special.
I will, Mom! My friends will be very happy. I will invite everyone to my party today. It will be so much fun.
Happy birthday, Arav. We are very happy for you. How old are you today?
I am 6 years old, teacher.
That is wonderful. Birthdays are very special. Do you have something to share with your friends?
Yes, teacher. I have chocolates for everyone. I want to share with my classmates. Please take one each. Chocolates for everyone. Thank you, Arav. Wow, thanks. You're welcome. Thank you so much. I'm glad you like them. Are you having a birthday party today? Is it at your house? Yes, I am having a party. It is today at 5 o'clock. Can you come to my house? Yes, I'll be there. Yeah. Can I bring my sister with me? Yes, everyone can come. The more friends, the more fun. It will be a great party. Will there be games? I love playing games at parties. Yes, there will be games. There will also be a big cake and lots of delicious food. We will have so much fun together.
All the children feel excited. They are happy for Arav. It is a cheerful classroom. Everyone is looking forward to the party.
Arav comes home from school. He opens the door and steps inside.
The house looks bright and festive.
Colorful balloons are everywhere.
Wow, is this for me?
Wow, the house looks so beautiful. I love the balloons and colors. This feels like a dream.
We worked hard to make it special for you. This day is very important. Now go and change your clothes. Your friends will arrive soon.
Bhaiya, can I help you open the gifts? I want to see what you get. I am very excited.
Yes, you can help me. But we will open the gifts later. We must wait for my friends to arrive. Then we will open them together.
Arav wears his new blue shirt. He puts on black pants. He looks neat and handsome. He is ready for his birthday party.
It is 5 o'clock in the evening. The party is about to begin. The doorbell rings loudly.
Yay, the party's starting!
Arav runs to open the door.
I'm coming! I'm so excited! Rohan, Sarah, Arjun, welcome to my birthday party. Please come inside. I am so happy you are here.
The children start playing together.
This one! Yes, let's get balloons! I'm gonna catch it.
Toss it back!
They laugh and run around.
Arav keeps looking at the door. He smiles at his friends, but his eyes search for someone. He is waiting patiently. What are you looking for, Arav? Your friends are here. The party has started. Tell me what is on your mind.
Where's Papa? He said he would come home early today. I want him to be here. I want to cut the cake with him. This is the best birthday ever! Yeah, let's dance! Why can't I? Run around them! Do the cake! Best party ever!
The children are playing musical chairs. They run around the chairs, laughing.
This is fun!
The music suddenly stops.
Hey! Why did you push me? That hurt me. I was about to sit. I am sorry, Arav. I did not mean to push you. It was an accident. Please don't be angry. You always do this. You never play properly. You are not my friend anymore. I don't want to play.
Arav, tell me what happened.
I fell down.
Oh, it's okay. I'm here now. Arav, what is wrong? Why are you so upset?
Papa promised he would come early, but he is not here. And Arjun pushed me.
Beta, Papa loves you very much. He is working hard for our family. He will come soon. And Arjun made a mistake. Do you never make mistakes?
I do make mistakes sometimes.
So you should forgive Arjun. Don't be sad. Your friends came here to celebrate with you. They love you.
You are right, Mama. I should say sorry to Arjun.
Arav walks back to the party. The room is quiet. His friends wait for him.
Arjun, I'm sorry. I should not have shouted at you. You are my good friend.
It is okay, Arav. I'm sorry too. Happy birthday!
They hug each other. Their friendship is strong again. Everyone feels happy.
Come on! Let's play again!
Sorry, I am late.
Papa! You came! I was waiting for you.
Of course I came. I would never miss your special day. I was late because I was buying something special. I wanted it to be a surprise. I hope you like it.
A bicycle! This is what I wished for.
Thank you, Papa.
You are welcome, son.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Make a wish.
Arav makes a quiet wish. He blows out the candles. The lights flicker softly. Everyone claps and cheers.
Happy birthday, dear Ara!
Okay, make a wish.
Happy birthday, champ!
This is the best birthday ever. Now open all the gifts, Bhaiya. I want to see everything. This is the best part.
Arav opens his gifts. He receives toys, books, and games. Each gift brings a new smile. He feels very happy.
It's my pants! Yay!
Happy birthday, Arav!
Thank you, everyone. I love all these gifts. This is the best birthday ever. I am very happy today.